Cause of itching after bath. Have you ever experienced intense itching after shower? Yes, we all do. For most of us, this symptom only lasts a few minutes, and is related to dry skin caused by cold, dry air and long, hot showers. But for some people, itching after taking a shower can be chronic, severe, and even debilitating. There are a number of different conditions that can cause itching after exposure to hot showers. Most of them are benign, while others can be. Here are 5 most common cause of itching after shower. Idiopathic aquagenic pruritus. IAP is a rare condition that causes itching without a rash after a person's skin comes into contact with water. IAP is likely caused by activation of the nervous system, with the release of various chemicals by nerves located within the skin after contact with water. Antihistamines seem to be helpful for some people, while a small study of 6 patients with IAP found treatment with a beta blocker to be extremely helpful in treating symptoms. Xerosis. Dry skin plagues people of all ages but is particularly common in older people. Dry, irritated, itchy skin characterizes a number of skin diseases that are collectively referred to as eczema. Xerosis, also known as the winter itch, occurs most often during the dry, cold winter months, as a result of repeated wetting and drying without the use of moisturizer. Symptoms include dry, itchy, flaky, red skin, with painful cracking on the hands and feet. Hodgkin's lymphoma. Hodgkin's lymphoma is a cancer of the lymph nodes. People with this cancer have enlarged lymph nodes in the neck, armpits, groin, or within the chest. In addition to enlarged lymph nodes, Hodgkin's lymphoma may cause entire body symptoms including weight loss, fever, night sweats, and itching. Hodgkin's lymphoma can be screened for by performing X-rays to look for enlarged lymph nodes, or performing a biopsy on an enlarged lymph node. Aquagenic urticaria. Aquagenic urticaria is a very rare form of hives caused by water coming into contact with the skin. Affected people will experience hives within a few minutes of exposure of water to skin, regardless of the water temperature. Why this occurs isn't known, although some researchers think that water allows for a certain protein in the skin to be dissolved in the water, and that dissolved protein is then able to reach deeper layers of the skin where an allergic reaction will occur. The diagnosis of aquagenic urticaria involves simply the placement of a drop of room temperature water onto the skin and observing for the formation of a hive within a few minutes. Aquagenic urticaria, like most other forms of urticaria, can often be treated easily with oral antihistamines. Polycythemia vera. Polycythemia vera (PV) is a disease of the bone marrow in which there is an overproduction of red blood cells. People with PV have thicker blood as a result of this disease process, which can cause various symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, visual changes, chest pain, bleeding, blood clots, enlarged liver and spleen, and a ruddy complexion, redness of the face. This condition can be ruled out by checking a simple blood count. Cholinergic urticaria. Cholinergic urticaria is a form of hives that is caused by an increase in body temperature. Hives are caused by an increase in body temperature, such as hot showers, exercise, spicy foods, or being under too many covers in bed at night. Strong emotions may also cause hives to occur in people with cholinergic urticaria. The hives in cholinergic urticaria are classically pinpoint in size, less than the size of a mosquito bite. These may group together, or coalesce, into larger hives over time. Occasionally, cholinergic urticaria can be associated with more severe symptoms, including asthma symptoms and low blood pressure. Cholinergic urticaria, like most other forms of urticaria, can often be treated easily with oral antihistamines. Do you experience itching after bath? Have you tried any remedy? Please share your opinion in the comment box below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips.